You gotta find this car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? You gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or live and die this way. Won't have to drive too far, just across the border and into the city. You and I keep booking jobs and fly to see you believe it. I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast I felt like I was wrong. City lights stay out the post and your hair nice around my shoulder. And